nga pala si Ken Balnicolagao, and today tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-solve ng maximum minima. So, tingnan natin yung problem. Find two non-negative numbers x and y whose sum is 300 and for which x squared times y is a maximum. So, ang sinasabi dito is yung x plus y down is equals to 300. And yung kailangan natin ano yung x squared times y maging maximum. So for that to happen, kailangan isang variables lang meron tayo. So sa atin tayo na bahala kung anong variables yung pwede natin gamitin. As for me, ita-translate ko lang yung value ng y as x. So lilipat ko siya dito. So magiging y is equals to 300 minus x. So yan na yung value ng y natin nasa x. So magiging ano natin i-substitute na. So x squared times 300 minus x. So yung y natin is ito na yan. Next is ano natin simplify. So f of x is equals to 300 x squared minus x cube. So since nakakuha na natin yung variables natin dito, ang next natin gagawin is i-derive na natin. So f of prime of f of x is equals to 2 times 300, which is 600x, and which is 3x squared. So next here is gawin natin is mag-quadratic equation na tayo dito para mahanap natin yung value ng x. So una is i-factoring natin. So pwedeng 3x times 200 minus x. Okay, so next is hanapin na natin yung dalawang value niya. So 3x is equals to 0 and 200 minus x squared is equals to 0. So by this so magiging x is equals to 0 and this lipat natin. So negative x is equals to negative 200. Dahil negative yan, kailangan natin multiply sa negative. So magiging x is equals to 200. Okay, so makikita nyo dalawa yung value ng x. So saan nga ba dyan yung gagawin na yung tama para mahanap yung maximum value? So for that to happen, gagawin na natin ito ng second derivative rule, which is pag yung second derivative is equal to or mas mababa sa 0, maximum, and pag mas mataas is minimum. So let us look. Ito po yung i-second derive natin. So f of x is equals to 600 minus 6x. Next is i-substitute na natin yung value ng x. So una akong gagamitin this. So 600 minus 6 times 0. So is equals to 600 kasi 0 na yan. So kung makikita nyo yung value ng nito is positive 600, which is minimum, so hindi siya. Ngayon try naman natin isang value. So $600 minus 6 times 200 is equals to 600 minus 1,200. Then let's combine like terms. So ang sagot natin is negative 600. So makita nyo dito yung value ng x, ng second value ng x na yan is negative 600, which is ang maximum. So ang sagot natin dito is ito. That is all for today. Thank you sa panonood and goodbye.